Moving on, question number 30. For saturated solution of silver acetate, so they have this silver acetate solid, it is in a saturated solution, and they are asking how does the solubility changes when the solution are added separately to each of the beakers. Okay, so when you think about this CH3COOAG solid, so when you think about this salt solubility, there will be COO minus and Ag plus, right? So this is the normal solubility that is going to present. And now they are adding COONA, which means in the reaction medium, there is COO minus, which means our acetate ion. Okay, so according to this one, what is going to happen to the solubility, because since this is a reversible, what is going to happen to the solubility? So this acetate ion going to act as a common ion here to increase the concentration, but you cannot do that. To keep this equilibrium, this should go towards this left hand side, making the backward reaction more favoring, and the solubility of CH3COOAG is going to decrease. So all these are correct. It's going to decrease. And what is going to happen when you add HNO3, which is acid? So when you add HNO3, it is going to give H plus, where this H plus now can react with this CH3COO minus, which is our acetate ion, to form acetic acid. So this equilibrium is shifting towards this side. More and more this salt is going to dissolve. So here it is going to increase. It is going to increase. And ammonium hydroxide, which is a base now. So you have to understand there is ammonium hydroxide, which is going to give some amount of NH4 plus again. So this NH4 plus again will react with this acetate and will form ammonium acetate. Okay. For an example, this will form ammonium acetate. So again, this equilibrium is shifted towards this direction, because since forming ammonium acetate, more and more salt will be dissolved. So it is going to increase. So you see 4, 2, 1. So we have an answer, it is 3. But we will discuss AgNO3 also. So when you put AgNO3, automatically there will be Ag common ion. So to maintain the equilibrium, backward reaction will be forward, and the solubility is going to decrease, because more and more this will be formed. So it is going to decrease. So all these are correct. 4 answers. So the only possible answer for here is 3. Okay. So we have discussed 30 MCQs to now. So we are going to go towards the back end. Okay. So when you come from the beginning, so in question number 1 to 10, you have to understand the important question is this one, where I explained to you an additional concept where you cannot every time have the same ratio as the ratio that you obtain by using a certain calculation. It could be the dimer or trimer in some case. That is it. So here this question is important in 1 to 10. Then from 11 to 12, 11 to 20, first this question is very important, because this is very important in determining the rules of the ligand arrangement in a chemical formula. And then about this buffer calculation that I explained to you, that is also important. And others are very similar. And then from 20 to 30, this is very important, where when there is no pressure effect, When the volume is increased, the pressure is decreasing, making the collisions very low. The rate is decreasing both forward and reverse reaction. And others are very similar and simple questions. Okay, so we are done up to question number 30.